Today we're putting together an IKEA chair. Fun and exciting. Worst thing is getting out of the packaging. After that, it's a breeze. I use my knife. Cut that packaging open. Start. These are instructions. You don't need those. You got the back, you got the front, you got the bar. Here's another bar. Here's a bag of nuts. In this out of the bag is the cardboard. I'm going to set this piece on the side. Here's our bottom. Here's our short bar. For this, you really need a wrench and a screwdriver. The pocket knife is optional. So, there's two bars, a big one and a little one. Big one goes in front, little one goes in back. Pretty simple. These fancy little hex-head screws actually will lock into the holes right here. And actually holds it while you're putting the nuts on the back, so you don't actually have to have two ridges, you only have to have one. For your knees. Now, you probably noticed while I'm putting this on here, the bend is going down on both sides. That's naturally the way your butt probably goes. I don't know if you can see that or not, actually, because I can't see what you're seeing at the moment, but one of the simplest things to do with a screw when you put the nut on is to turn it backwards until you feel it click. And when you feel it click, then you can go forward. And it'll go right on every time. We're going to go around, we're going to tighten our nuts. I can feel the other side starting to come in. And we're not trying to crush anything here. We're just trying to get it tight. Finger tight's usually pretty good. That, folks, is the hardest part of the whole chair. Look at the bottom of the seat here, there's a couple of little hooks right here, and then there's some on the sides. If you get these top front ones to hook in over here, just pop it on. This one right here just slides over the bars in the back. They're going to be a little bit tight because we've already taken the chair down. You can put it on afterwards, but it doesn't really make much of a difference. There's two little screw holes in the back with Phillips head screws that go in. You just want to get those so they're in there, they're recessed. recommend using a power drill because you'll blow it out the other side. Last step, put these little caps on. You can do it with a hammer. You can just do it with your thumb. And there you have it, IKEA chair.